Seed listing is delaying than expected, and the reason for that delay is because of the seed season 2 that have been rolled out. Look at it right here. The season 2 is here, and if you don't know that, know it right now that season 2 for seed is already ongoing, and that is the reason why we are seeing that delay in the listing. And this is very important. So in this video, let me go through the season 2 for seed, why the delay, and this very new token called the in-game currency, that is the SLOVE, and what's the difference between the seed token and SLOVE. All of this in the seed verse. So pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. One important thing here is the delay. Delay is not always good for airdroppers, not at all. I believe you yourself, you can agree with me that when you mine a token, the next thing that comes to mind after token distribution and allocation is straight to exchange. They should list that token so that you can do some exchange, and maybe if you invest some little ton or dollars in the process of mining, you can be able to get that back and also look forward to other projects. But in most cases, the reality is not always the same, because if you look at what seed is doing right now, the allocation have been done, but no listing yet, and it's because of this very season 2. Personally, I don't fancy this kind of stuff, in the sense that you use season 1 to tie up people so that they must do season 2. It's not always a good idea. It could be better you rightly stipulate it from the beginning, okay, that they're going to be season 1 and 2, so that people have this mindset of, okay, season 2 is going to come out. And in this very case, there are 2 tokens involved. We see that in the case of Bloom, where season 1 ended and season 2 have been rolled out and is ongoing right now. So in the case of seed, the same thing is applying right now, and this is very important if you are on this very airdrop. If you look at this very post, and let me tap on this and zoom in a little bit, you see governance token and in-game currency. The governance token is the seed token, while the in-game currency is the SLOVE, which I'll talk about in a moment. The combination of these 2 tokens give us what we call season 2. However, season 1 have ended with the seed token, but season 2 is the SLOVE, okay? And you're going to use the seed token to generate this SLOVE, and I'm going to show you how it works in a moment. So if you read this very post, you see seed and SLOVE, the power dial behind seedverse economy. I've talked about that earlier. Ever wonder why seedverse runs on 2 tokens instead of 1? Is the foundation of a balanced, sustainable, and driving economy. One drives value, the other strengthens connection. Together they form a self-sustainable loop where every action matters and citizens benefit. So the main goal is to loop the system, in the sense that the one that drives value here is seed, okay, and the other one that strengthens the connection is the SLOVE. So together it forms a loop. But if you look at it critically, and I want to show you something very important on this very second season for seed, which is very, very key. If you are on this very airdrop, pay attention. If you look at this, you know, before when they brought this out, we did not really know what this is going to turn out to be. So we have this, which is very important. So if you want to get SLOVE, this is how it works. If you read this very post, continuing our seed go series, today we dive into SLOVE, the second currency in the seed ecosystem. Owning a seed mon means you are sitting on a treasure. Why? Because with SLOVE, you are earning and building real value. Now, if you take a look at this diagram critically, you observe something that is very, very important. So the first thing here is you must have seed before you can get SLOVE. It's certain, okay? So for those of us that already have our allocation, the first thing is you stake or you farm, okay, which is very, very important. That will grant you access to playing this very game, okay? You having seed does not in any way automatically give you SLOVE. It does not work like that. So you must intentionally play this game to earn SLOVE, and this is very important, and it's only for those that already have seed as allocation, which is what we have right now. So the first thing here to earn SLOVE is either you upgrade and maintain the seed moon NFT, okay, which is a very important part of the seed ecosystem. In the process of doing that, by playing this very game, you will get SLOVE in return. But the first thing or the gateway to getting this is you must have seed. Then the second thing here is you have to plant trees, okay, 3 NFT, upgrade, and then you get 3 NFTs. Then you can now do what? Get SLOVE. Remember, your seed will be used in the process of upgrade. This is very important. You must have to understand that your seed, which is here, will be used in the process of upgrading to play this so that you can get SLOVE. And also in this very case, your seed will be used in the process of this very upgrade to play this game so that you can also get what? SLOVE. Very simple. But one thing here is, a lot of persons will not be interested in playing this game, including myself. So I would prefer that they list the token and I convert my token into dollars or USDT, and then I use it for whatever thing I want to use it for. And this is very important. So this is how it worked for season 2. This is very, very important. So the delay for this very token listing is because of the season 2. And you see, now that we now have 2 tokens in the ecosystem, and the 2 of them will be listed on an exchange. Look at it right here. It's clearly stated on this very post. And I want to show you this very clearly so that you understand that the SLOVE is not just there for nothing. It will be listed. Look at it right here. SLOVE will be listed soon for real value. DEX first. Start with 0. So it will be listed together with seed, also will be listed, so that these 2 tokens will be moving side by side, driving the ecosystem in kind of a loop formation. So this is what we need to understand. So the difference between seed and SLOVE is that seed drives the value for the ecosystem, while SLOVE is the utility token within the ecosystem that powers everything within the ecosystem, which is very, very important. So this is what we are in right now. If you are on the seed airdrop, if you take a look at this very post that was dropped yesterday, Moon Blind Box whitelist countdown, only less than 35 hours left. Citizen, the whitelist guarantees you a chance to buy Moon Blind Boxes at the starting price. A sweet deal than hunting on the marketplace later. So they want to offer a blind box. And if you read this very well, if you hold seed, you are eligible for at least 1 box with up to 5 boxes based on your seed bed NFTs. But you must register before the deadline. Whitelist registration close at 0.00 UTC 6 February. Lock in your spot before it's too late. This I don't think is a good idea. Why won't us wait for the listing first, and then we'll look at what the listing is going to be? And for those of us that just want to take the seed token, I'm not interested in any SLOVE, I don't understand what is going on, I just want my token listed, and that's all. I think that would be a preferable option. Remember, it's a Moon Blind Box, which means the box contain a kind of gift, and different boxes have variety of gifts. So you can put in a seed token, and the gift we have from a particular box will be very, very low compared to your seed value. So this is up to you if you want to play this game. But remember the name, Moon Blind Box. It's a blind box. You don't really know what is inside. So it's kind of a gamble kind of stuff. And if you want to do it, that is your personal choice. But this is what we have right now for the seed airdrop. The delay for the listing is as a result of the season 2, which is very important. And if you're on the seed airdrop, let's wait a little bit, give them time for season 2 before that listing will definitely come. So that is very important for all of us that is on the seed airdrop. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. Thanks for watching.